Whew, the golden boy. Fellas, should drop a message on some real shit. Men's health, right? In an environment where the world doesn't give a fuck about you, where you gotta pay your dues, earn your stripes, put in that work. And yeah, there's the hard working grind of it. And then there's the fucking warrior spirit. And I'm sure if you're like me, you've had the days today. Sometimes I just don't have it in me. Real talk. I need to feed off of the energy of getting out of the house. I need to get out and experience the environment around me. Because if I lay there idle, if I lay there aimless, I'm fighting back tears and shit. This shit ain't easy. The grind ain't happy. You almost have to trick yourself. That's the work that we do inside of our masculine. To get the real talk out there, while I love to inspire and motivate, I want to be real with you that I put my pants on one leg at a time. Socks and shoes, my shit stink, all that good stuff. And this life here is a bitch. Let's not get that twisted. I'm just not a motherfucker to roll over and die with it. So I just really want to emphasize, reach the arm out. Don't do it by yourself. Don't do it alone. And do whatever you got to do to take care of yourself. Don't give up. Don't give in. And just know that this is what makes your fucking greatness. This is what makes the journey so fucking great. Is on the other side. I told you, bitch, I was coming. Get ready.